Lesson 1. Present continuous tense. 1. The present continuous tense is used when the action is happening right now, at this very second, and hasn't finished yet. Example: when your friend Alex is in the kitchen with onions and a knife, we say Alex is cooking dinner. 2. To build this, simply use the verb to be plus an ing verb, like I'm walking or they are running. 3. You can also use it for the processes that are in progress, like they are building their house, they hope to finish it next summer. This implies they started to build their house and haven't finished it yet, even if they aren't building it at the exact time of speaking. 4. In daily life, we use it for urgent situations like I'm trying to study or it's snowing outside. 5. Use this tense for specific periods like today or this week, such as you are walking very fast today. 6. It is also perfect for changes happening over time, using verbs like getting, becoming, or improving. For instance, you could say the population is growing or ask, is your English getting better? Just remember, if you are in the middle of it, use ing and keep practicing. Bye!